In this video, we will learn how to write the kanji character haha for mother. Haha is 5 strokes. The first stroke is written similar to the hiragana character ku. The second stroke should be slightly thinner than the first stroke. As you come down, thicken the line by pushing down your brush and then ending out in a point on the left. The third and the fourth stroke are dots made by pushing down with your brush. And the fifth stroke comes right through the center. Make sure to leave space for this line. This character can be read haha, bo, or ka. It is the character for mother. If you enjoy our videos, please support us by subscribing to our channel.